people will mention, I've had this cough for so long, or it's that season, or definitely sickness, colds, flus, respiratory sickness, mold, illness, all of that. People unable to shake a cough, and licorice definitely plays a part in that.
Yeah. And you say you use it commonly for adrenal health, so it's cortisol sparing, isn't it? So additionally, we used to talk about adrenal fatigue. I guess it could be very good for those people who run low on cortisol or need
Yes.
cortisol support. I guess we're still exploring some of those mechanisms. A great addition, again, you only need a small amount. It could go in with an adaptogen mix and have really good benefits.
Yeah.